Welcome back to this week's Gambill's Gambit. Every week, I throw down real-world interview questions to help you to sharpen your skills and prepare for your next data engineering interview. So, this week is going to be all about cloud, queries, and communication. Let's jump into it. As always, if you put your answers down in the comments, I will evaluate your answers, score you, and put your name up on the leaderboard with the top 5 people with the top 5 answers for the current week. If you've missed previous episodes, be sure you go back and get a chance to go and answer those questions as well, because the top 5 ongoing leaderboard gets shown at Friday night at 10 p.m. during our live sessions. So, let's get into the first question. First up, cloud stack knowledge. What is the difference between Azure Data Factory and an Azure Synapse Pipeline? Give more than just the textbook answer. When would you choose one over the other in a real-world project? Maybe it's cost. Maybe it's integration. Maybe it's scale. I want to see what your decision-making skills look like and really make sure that you demonstrate your thorough knowledge and understanding of these two Azure tools. I'm going to give you a scenario. So you are running a query that calculates the average sales per region, but the numbers look way off and something's not quite right. So walk me through in detail the things that you would step through to troubleshoot what's going on and how you'd fix it. This one is all about how you think strategically and troubleshoot. Filters, joins, data types. Step me through your process and drop it down below in the comment. Question number 3 is all about stakeholder communication. This is the soft skill question of the week. A stakeholder sends a vague request, something like, and this happens all the time, can you just give me a report on customer engagement? So, how do you respond to that? How, without really overcommitting? You don't want to just, gut instinct maybe to just say, yeah, I could do that. Make sure that you are understanding the full scope of what you're committing to here. You don't want to really miss the actual need behind that initial question. So this one is all about making sure that you are clarifying expectations. You are scoping properly what the project really is and asking the right follow-up questions. Tell me how you'd handle it and what types of questions that you would ask the stakeholder. So those are the 3 questions for this week. I look forward to seeing what your answers are and getting a chance to provide you feedback. Now, if you are getting ready to prepare for your data engineering interviews, be sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon so that you could stay up to date on all the data engineering skills and tools that you need to become an awesome data engineer and to achieve that career that you are dreaming of.